connect the PVC drain tube to the patient tube. This Y connector comes already cut at the 10 French mark and can be cut at alternate sizes, being 8, 10, 15 and 19 French gauge. The drain tube, or drain connector, inserts into the Y connector as a tight friction fit. This is then taped underneath the wound dressing. The patient tube is sufficiently long enough to allow the reservoir to be easily visible at the side of the bed. Please make sure the drain is an airtight fit onto the Y connector. If not, the system will lose vacuum and not work properly.